Let's go back to painting, drawing, doodling, and actually using markers, which is unusual, right? I was thinking to do another flower sort of thing, but let's try to make like maybe a possible flowery shape more than in the previous video. Let's try it. Let's try. Why not? Why not? There we go. Obviously it's very difficult for you to see the water, but trust me, there is some kind of leafy, flowery sort of shape. Let's start. Don't be worried about your markers. They are perfectly fine as they are when you touch them with the water. They are okay, honestly. I love the color combination that it's coming here together. Love that. And this one as well. Nice. And this is interesting color. It's like black, but it's gray, but I don't know. Now I'm gonna, interestingly enough, I'm gonna grab some yellow in between in here. We'll see how that's gonna go. Super. And let's try to have like, I'm gonna swap and take a different brush, and I'm gonna just try to drag and have like, I don't know, like a flowery kind of shape here going on. We shall see how that will turn out. You will see what I mean. Not that I am 100% knowing what I'm doing, not necessarily, but I love what I see so far. So I'm gonna just try to attempt that and follow this sort of way, and also maybe drag these things down so that we can have even more flowery sort of shape. There we go. Then we're gonna have it here as well. I think it reminds me of one flower that I just don't know the name. Crocus in Polish, I don't know in English. Oh. Oops, I just mixed up the colors. I think that's okay, even if I did. How pretty is that? Seriously, I absolutely love this. It is gorgeous, like, and that yellow, this was a pure imagination and accident sort of thing. It works gorgeous, really does. You see that sometimes I don't wash in between, and I think that's okay. I love it, honestly. I honestly love it. Now, as usually, I'm gonna grab my Pilot G-Tech C4, and I'm gonna just have it there going on. And this time I'm gonna actually change it a little bit and doodle. There we go. Super. Now, nothing like, you know, take your time, but nothing as like, each of them should be more like a freehand drawings, easy, like not precise, not perfect, nothing of these consequences. Okay, now this time I'm gonna grab the smaller brush, and I'm gonna grab that water that it's gonna go in here everywhere where all of our leaves are, and obviously the pigment will react, the pen pigment will react with our water. There we go. Gorgeousness. Now question is, are we adding some bit of color? I think it would be lovely to add some bit of color, isn't it? There we go. Even just a little tiny touch, that's gonna be nice, I think. So let's have this here. There we go. Now how about adding this here as well, similar to the other, which I think it's just nice to be grounded sort of way. I don't know if that's even a saying, but yeah, I hope you know what I mean. Now, what's the story with our flower? I think what I may do, I may just start like this, outlining the shapes, but not finishing it, because maybe it will come in a minute, because I'm not 100% sure what to do next. I won't lie, I'll be honest, I don't. It's like, this is a pure imagination. This is me being courageous and completely unplanned, playing with you here now today. And I love that idea. Honestly, I do. Do you know what? I love it like that. I do. So there you go. I do like it. Now, question is, what about if we're gonna like do a little bit of this sort of maybe doodles of this? Oh, I like that. I love that. So because I'm kind of live here with you, I am a little nervous of how to do it, because it is a total, like, you know, improvisation. Is that even a saying? So there we go. I absolutely adore this. Love it. For example, like ding ding, ding ding. Why not? And you know what? It really does look more like a flower now, right? There we go. How cute is that now? They are like little, definitely like flowers, but also very much artistic touch to that. I love it. I wouldn't be myself if I wouldn't like my piece, but also if I don't like it, I would totally tell you. In this case, I can't, because I absolutely adore it. I love how different it is. They look like little fish tanks, am I right? Okay, how about playing a little bit and having water around, and have, oh, there we go, have like a tiny touches of our pen where it was doodled, and yet again we're gonna have like a gentle play with the pigment, so it will just be gently running here and there, you know. I love them. Let's try that quickly. Let's reveal that. That is so cute. I wonder your thoughts. I wonder. I like the shape of this paper as well. I think it's quite nice to work in rectangular shape. Quite different, I must say. Ooh, there we go. So here it is, our fish tank tulips. Happy crafting. Bye. Bye bye.